team, going 3-3 yesterday to barely stay above 500. I will probably be doing as many women as I can through Thanksgiving Day, so please, Megatron, do not attack. I'm going to give you my plays for the next few days now. In the NBA, I will be taking Minnesota +5 versus Cleveland tonight for a 1-unit play. Also, I will be taking the Nets Portland under 183. In the NFL tomorrow, I will be taking Dallas -14 versus the Jets. Also, I will be taking Detroit Green Bay over 47. In college football tomorrow, I will be taking USC Arizona over 49. The girls in Arizona are fucking hot. I need to build a female robot to get laid, or I am going to go effing insane. I am telling you this because I have not been laid in over 4 million years. Right now, I have got a huge Cybertron boner. Anyway, those are my picks. I will see you again the day after Thanksgiving. I am Optimus Prime.